Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 7 of power plant engineering. So last date of submission of this assignment is the 13th September 2023. So friends, hope you are enjoying the solution of the assignment. So please subscribe my channel so that you get informed for another assignment. Next assignment you will get informed. So let's discuss the assignment. The assignment question number 1, the solar energy can be directly used for. So solar energy used for everything, for heating, for cooling, for distillation, for drying. So all the above. Right answer is the all the above. Question number 2, statistical method give an idea about the wind profile of an area. The most common distribution used for wind profile is Weibull distribution. So right answer is for Weibull distribution. Next question is a numerical question. So it is connected with 3, 4 and 5. So this answer is based on my solution. So let's discuss. In a power station, the load duration curve is a straight line between maximum and minimum loads. Maximum minimum loads is given 100 megawatt, 25 megawatt. The cost of running the base plant and peak load plant, both base load plant cost and peak load plant cost is given. Based on the above information, answer the following 3 questions. So what is the load share by base load plant? So answer is 74.31 megawatt. So friends, if you want solution of any question, you can message me. I will send you the solution of the assignment. So what is the load shared by base load plant? 74.31 megawatt. So if we calculate, you will get the answer 74.31 megawatt. What is the load factor of base load plant? So 78.18%. What is the because load factor is the average load upon total load, maximum load, average load upon maximum load. So first we calculate the average load of base load plant and then maximum load. What is the load factor of peak load plant? Similarly, if we do calculation for the peak load plant, you will get 17.83%. Next question, which metal is mostly used in the solar cell production? So silicon solar cell production is based on the semiconductor material. So semiconductor material is the silicon here. So question 3 for question 6, the answer third, silicon is correct. The tidal energy generated due to the alternate rise and fall of water level. So second option is correct. Okay, next question is also numerical 8, 9, 10. The power available at a nuclear power plant is 50 megawatt. Reactor efficiency is 30% and the per nuclear energy released is 200 mega electron volt. Based on the above information, answer the following 3 questions. So for question number 8, what is the fuel consumption in the reactor per day? So it is 175.6 gram. Question number 8, answer is 4 is correct. If coal of calorific value 35 megajoule per kg is used, how much quantity is needed to produce same energy if no heat is lost? So here the answer second, 123.4 tons is correct answer. How much coal will be required if efficiency of coal energy conversion is 80%? So 154.3 ton. So if you answer 4 is correct answer for this. If you divide 123.4 ton by 0.8 means 80%, so you will get 154.3 ton. So hope you are enjoying the whole solution of the questions. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get the next assignment as early as possible.